Salam and hey guys, you're with me Wani Ezryl. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my Polly Pocket 2019's PollyVille collection. PollyVille is actually a tiny hometown of Polly Pocket, and I'm going to unbox them now. So let's get started. So if you're looking at the back of the Polly Pockets packaging, you can see the 2019's collection. This is the pocket house, the diner, the arcade, the ice cream truck, the limo, and also last but not least we have the mega mall. But I don't have this one, so I'm just going to unbox these 5. So let's go. So this is the packaging of the pocket house with the base color, Polly Pocket base color, purple and green. So I'm going to open it up in a while, and this is how the bag looks like. You can see everything from here. Okay, so I'm going to open the box. Okay, so the house is attached to the box, so we're going to take out this one first. And this is how the pocket house ground floor looks like. It even has door here with Polly. Can I get inside from the outside? I already put a Polly stickers, if you remember. I put one here so Polly can stand here by herself. Oh, let's close the door. How about we put some of the furnitures in the house? Okay, before that, yeah, we have the dog house. So we're going to put the dog house outside with Peach's dog. So she's going to play outside for a while. Okay, and let's put the furniture. We have the sofa or the couch. So put it in front of the television, and of course you have Polly Pocket's bicycle, and how about we put it right outside. And yeah, we have the dining table, the dining chairs. Later Polly and her little brother can maybe sit here and eat together. Okay, how about close out what we have in the kitchen? We have a fridge. If you open the fridge, you can see lots of food and drinks here, and we have a very tiny kitchen, so small and so cute, and it is really nice and awesome. And we have the dining room, the living room, and yes, we also have a dance floor. Yeah, we'll take Polly out first. Oops, it's quite sticky. Put her here and turn on the stereo, and Polly can actually dance. How cool is that? What I like about Polly Pocket is they have each and every details on the surface. Like this one, they actually have a clock here, but maybe we can't see it from here, but it's okay. So we have a staircase where you can go to the next floor. Now, how about we explore the first floor? We have a very nice pink staircase here, so Polly is going to go upstairs. This is the first floor. You can actually open up this one. Oh, yes, and you have a very beautiful bathroom. We have a very tiny bathtub where Polly can enjoy her bath here. And if you can see inside, there's a very tiny sink basin, a toilet with a very cute, very small tissue roll, and it's actually a shower. Polly and the family can have a shower here. Yes, there's a shower, and with the cabinet and all. And next to the first, oh no, this is second floor. At the second floor, I think this is a nursery. You have teddy bear with a nice purple wall and purple floor, and a nursery bed. Can we actually open up this one? Oh yeah, you can actually open it. Okay, so baby Paxton pocket can be in the room. Put it here. And how about we put the rocking toy horse? Oh, we have the trampoline, but I don't think this trampoline can fit in here, so let's just put it outside. And onto the upper floor. This is the first, second, oh yeah, this is the third floor. I already put Polly Pocket's bed, the pink bed in it. And you have laptop and a desk, and of course this very cute pink wardrobe where Polly can hang all the nice dresses and outfits here. Ooh. And so Polly can hang out at her bedroom for a while. And let's look at the details here on the wall. So nice. So that's how actually the inside of the PollyVille Pocket house looks like. And from the outside, you actually can fold this one. Wait. Okay, so you can close everything. And if you close everything, you can see how the pocket house looks from the outside. It's so cool. You can put things like the trampoline and a dog house and Peaches on the trampoline. And yeah, how about we put Polly Pocket on her bicycle? I think she can sit on the bicycle. Is she actually standing on the bicycle? Okay. That looks better. And her little brother Paxton. I think we can take Paxton out from the chair. And Paxton can also sit at the back of the bicycle. And off they go to the PollyVille, and yeah. So that's all my unboxing of the PollyVille 2019's Polly Pocket House. Looks so nice, purple, my favorite color. So yeah, we're going to unbox other of my PollyVille's collections. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.